Hi, and welcome to Siemens TIA Portal All Basics Pack. Why only go halfway if you can have it all, right? I am 𝗁𝗂𝘆𝗶𝗀 and I have created this bundle here for anyone seeking to create professional PLC applications and modern intuitive HMI applications in TIA Portal. In this bundle, I will take you through all the steps of translating a real-life sample application into a fully featured, fully functional PLC and HMI application. The focus of my courses is teaching you the proper foundations of TIA Portal programming and getting you started with your first TIA project fast and efficient. There's no need to spend week after week on long theoretical courses from a person who has no real experience working in the field. I still spend somewhere between 60 and 100 days a year in the field working with running machines and production lines. Through the courses in this bundle, you will get direct access to my professional skill set and my many years of experience. If you'd like to know more about the courses in this bundle, just scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on the course link. That's all. I'm confident that after you finish both courses in this All Basics pack, you will be more than ready to take on your first TIA Portal project.